Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
Start by planning metric names and types before you send any data. Choose a clear metric name like metric. MyApp. Request latency and include environment tags. Decide between gauge, count, histogram, distribution, or set for correct aggregation. Use semantic prefixes and dot notation for grouping and readability. Limit high cardinality tags by using service, env, and role tags only. Avoid user ID or request ID as tags to prevent cardinality explosions. Document the metric purpose, unit, and expected ranges before implementation begins. Instrument your code to send metrics via dog_stats_d or the metrics API. Use the client library for your language to emit counters, gauges, or histograms with tags. Report values at a controlled rate, for example, no faster than 10 times per second. Batch submissions when using the HTTP API to reduce overhead and lower request counts. Understand that custom metrics persist with retention of 15 months and rollups at 1-minute resolution. Monitor ingestion costs and tune emit frequency to balance fidelity and expense. Control cardinality by avoiding tags that create many unique values, like user ID. Avoid excessive unique tag values to keep cardinality manageable and costs controlled. Use tag templating and rollup keys when available to reduce series proliferation. Create a metric in the Datadog UI or use metrics metadata to set units and type. Build dashboards with time series, heat maps, and top lists to spot trends and outliers. Create monitors and notebooks for alerting and collaborative investigation with clear thresholds and runbooks.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.